All right, welcome back to Greasy Corner Garage for another episode of What Are We Working On Today? Check this thing out. It's beautiful. It's the Greyhound, made by AC. The same people that made the AC Cobra. So the Greyhound was produced by AC Cars of Thames Ditton, Surrey, England, from 1959 to 1963. Intended as a 2+2 coupe version of the Ace, or the ACEA line. I think I'm pronouncing that right, ACECA. Y'all go in the comments, correct me if I didn't. It was developed to offer more space, especially for the rear passengers. Design choices included aluminum body over a tubular steel framework, wheelbase stretched by 10 inches compared to the Ace. Had independent coil spring suspension, front and rear, using trailing arms. The latter had tubular steel chassis. Look at that dash. That's amazing. The body and weight was 1,100 kilograms. The engine, let's check that out. Pops, can you pop the engine for me? My hands are full.
Yes.
Thank you. Pop that hood. So it had a 2.0 liter overhead cam, straight 6, had 75 horsepower. The Bristol engine was a 2.0, 2.2 liter. It had 105 to 125. This is the Bristol engine. Some of them came with a Ford Zephyr 2.6 straight 6 in later examples. So with the 2.0 Bristol engine, the top speed was 110 miles per hour, 0 to 60 in about 11.4 seconds. Had a 4-speed manual transmission, rack and pinion steering, front disc brakes, and rear drums on many versions. Super small production run. Only 82 to 83 units were made in total. Because of this small production run, surviving cars are rare and can be prize collectibles. So this car came out of Mooresville. Woman inherited it from her father. Her father bought it brand spanking new. And she took it without him knowing, had it dropped off. She spent more than most of y'all's houses cost, a few $100,000. And then walked him in here one day. And he came walking by with his walker, and she said, "Check that out, Dad." And he said, "I had one just like that." And then she said, "That's your car, Dad. We just got it back from a builder in Virginia." So it looks like the old school batteries right here. There's actually lithium batteries inside that old casing. So that's why it says don't put a regular jump box on it or a regular battery charger on it. But this car is pristine. You can see the paint on it. It's absolutely perfect. Like, it is slick. Look at that. That's amazing. Do you think we can fire it up? So let me get behind it here. Let's see if we can crank it up. Don't be looking at that tag number. It ain't no good anyway. It says 1968 on it. I guess they didn't get a 61.
That's the last time it was driven on the road.
That is the real test. The last time it was driven.
See,
Wow.
here's the inspection sticker.
Oh yeah, let's look at the inspection sticker here. Good old North Kakalaki. Right there. September 2. Ain't that ironic? So thank God we didn't get raptured up today, but we get to play with this AC. Which, you know, I'm post-trib anyway. Y'all leave in the comments, are you pre-trib, post-trib, mid-trib? Come on, let's get a good argument going. As long as we do it in the glory of God. I want to see some scriptures in the comment. You got to show me. I'm from Missouri. There's the fuel pump. So it's got a crazy start procedure in that book over there. There's a procedure that Dad's already read, went over, and we got to probably remember it. Yeah, starting instructions. That's what the builder did. It's got it all. Let's see if we can remember. Bam. of cool. So you see all these knobs. You got an ignition knob, you got a choke knob. Up under there was the fuel pump prime, I think, button. There you go. Let's check some of this out. Starting instructions. Yeah, it's that kind of car. And he gave explicit instructions for the owners and whoever will get passed down to of what exact knob does, what every light does, what to pay attention to, what not to pay attention to, the fluids, the recommended fluids. That's pretty cool. The builders, I can't remember their name, I'd give them a shout out because they did a thorough job and they cared about the guy that was going to work on it and maintain the car. Ain't that pretty? Yeah, that's beautiful. Let's see how that door shuts. Oh man, yeah. Ain't nothing sound like that. All these linkages. I'm sure they'll like that, revving it while it's cold. All right, well, they're coming to pick this thing up. They're taking it to a museum, or maybe to their castle that they live in, somewhere on Downton Abbey. I'm not sure. But I really appreciate y'all watching. Share this with your friends. Like I say, leave in the comments. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you'd rather have the AC Cobra, you know, the one that Shelby got, all that, or would you like to have the one you could ride your kids in? So, y'all have a blessed day. Y'all already know I am. We'll see you on the next one.